It's time to load some cable into your brand new Model 81 cable machine. To do this, we'll need to access the cable clamp located on the inside of the green outer drum. But before you can do this, make sure you remove the outer drum from the main body of the Model 81. Remove the 6 acorn nuts and washers. Now you'll be able to remove the drum cover and drum cover spacer. There are two different orientations depending on the type of cable you're using. For the 5/16 cable orientation, position the drum cover spacer between the drum cover seals. Then place those between the drum cover and the outer drum. For the 1/4" cable orientation, position the drum cover seals between the outer drum and the drum cover. The drum cover spacer will be placed on the outside of the drum cover. In this case, we'll be doing the 1/4" orientation. Don't forget to run your cable through the drum cover before securing it to the cable clamp. Insert the cable at least 3 inches before tightening the cable clamp. Reattach the drum cover and drum cover spacer. Secure with the 6 acorn nuts and washers. You can now begin loading cable into your Model 81 drum. To prevent damage to the cable, use short strokes when loading.